Hello, Charlie here, and welcome to the Proponics YouTube channel. Now, you may have heard about hydroponics and are thinking that it sounds quite interesting, but might be wondering what's the actual point of using it? Well, in today's video, we're going to discuss some of the interesting advantages of using hydroponics, so stick around to find out more. For millions of years, plants have evolved to grow in soil, a medium that naturally replenishes itself. In the wild, the cycle of life and death enriches the soil, making it a living, breathing entity. Yet, in our gardens, unless we're constantly adding compost and nutrients, the soil depletes, losing its potency after just a few seasons. Hydroponics, however, breaks the mold in the world of horticulture. With hydroponics, plants enjoy a constant supply of fresh nutrients and water. No more guessing what the soil needs, no more endless soil amendments. Hydroponics simplifies gardening, making it accessible and efficient. Versatile and space efficient, hydroponics allows for denser plantings without the competition for nutrients. Imagine growing an entire herb garden in just a corner of your kitchen, thriving under grow lights. Hydroponics isn't just a method, it's a science and an art, with systems designed to be as visually appealing as they are functional. One of the joys of hydroponics, the absence of weeds. That's right, no more battling unwanted guests for your plant's health. And with systems usually raised off the ground, you can also say goodbye to the physical demands often placed on the body during harvest. Hydroponics isn't just good for your garden, it's good for the planet. Using less water than traditional farming methods, hydroponics is an oasis in desert climates, ensuring every drop of water goes directly to nourishing your plants. And with no need for herbicides, it's a cleaner, greener way to go. As we face a changing environment, hydroponics stands out as not just a hobby, but as a pivotal tool for the future of farming. More crops in less space, reaching more people with fresh produce. Hydroponics isn't just growing plants, it's growing possibilities. With hydroponics, we're cultivating a brighter, sustainable future. Dive into the hydroponic revolution and let's grow together. If you like what you just saw, go ahead and click the link in the description to find a full detailed article on this video's topic. And if you learned something new today, hit that like button and let us know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more hydroponics educational content and visit proponics.co.uk for in-depth articles on all things hydroponics. Grow smarter with Proponics. And until next time, happy growing.